Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an upper control arm on a Honda Accord. First, prioritize safety by properly lifting and securing your vehicle on sturdy jack stands. Next, gather all necessary tools, such as a 17mm wrench, a 19mm wrench, and a torque wrench. Finally, remove the front wheel to expose the upper control arm and surrounding suspension parts, preparing for the next steps. Now, let's remove the old upper control arm. Begin by loosening and removing the castle nut from the upper ball joint. You might need a ball joint separator tool to carefully detach the ball joint from the steering knuckle without damaging other components. Once free, proceed to unbolt the two main mounting bolts that secure the control arm to the vehicle's frame. Keep these bolts handy for later. With the old arm removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new upper control arm into its mounting location on the frame. Insert the two frame mounting bolts, but only hand tighten them for now. We'll torque them later. Next, connect the new ball joint to the steering knuckle, ensuring it seats correctly. Finally, install and tighten the new castle nut on the ball joint to the specified torque, usually around 40 foot-pounds. For the final steps, partially lower your Honda Accord so the suspension is under some load. This is crucial for properly torquing the two frame mounting bolts, which should be tightened to approximately 70 foot-pounds. Once those are secure, reinstall the front wheel, ensuring the lug nuts are torqued correctly. Finally, lower the vehicle completely and perform a comprehensive visual inspection of all connections to confirm everything is properly installed and tightened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.